Velayat rounds of the competition Healthy Family, Healthy Generation took place in Ahal, Balkan and Mari regions of the country under the auspices of the khyakimliks of the regions. The co-organizer of the sports competition among families from the regions, cities of Arkadag and Ashgabat, was the State Committee of Turkmenistan for Television, Radiobroadcasting and Cinematography. The main goal of the competition is to promote healthy lifestyle principles and active physical activity among the population. This initiative aims to support and stimulate youth interest in sports, contributing to the formation of a healthy and strong generation. 8 families participated in the Ahal Velayat stage, engaging in the tug-of-war, various relay races, and other competitions showcasing family unity and spirit, which are the internal values of the Turkmen people. Notably, the Balkan Velayat stage involved 4 families, team names of which corresponded to the current year's motto, the Font of Wisdom Mahtumuli Fragi. They competed in various contest conditions, ultimately identifying the strong family, the Pahim team. The Mari Velayat stage highlighted family harmony and unity, with 10 families from different cities and districts participating. The Baltear family emerged as the winner, excelling in various competitions disciplines and outscoring their opponents by a significant margin. All winners and participants received valuable gifts on behalf of the respective regional khyakimliks. Participating families expressed gratitude to the hero Arkadag and the President of Turkmenistan for their care for families, ensuring conditions for a happy life, and preserving the family values of the Turkmen people. The rest of Velayats will also conduct their stages, with the final stage taking place in Ashgabat on March 6. Organizers are confident that participants will not only demonstrate their athletic skills, but also showcase strength, endurance, and competitive spirit. The Healthy Family, Healthy Generation competition is not only a celebration of sports, but also a crucial step towards shaping a healthy society and the future of the nation.